Have you heard all the offers out there? People saying they'll give you cash offers for your house, instant cash offers. If you want to know the truth, the lowdown, what's behind it, obviously there's an upside for the investor that's going to do that, is you're not going to get full market value for your house. Now, we have that available for you if that's what you're considering, and I'm happy to explain the difference between open market value, a discounted price, a cash offer. We have all of the programs you could possibly want. I've got them and would love to explain all of them to you and find out what's best for you. Sometimes it does work out, and sometimes the best thing is you need to move right away. You've got inherited a house, somebody needs to move. We can get you those cash offers as is. Right now, the open market's pretty much the way to go, but I'm happy to explain to you all of the differences and help you come to the decision that's best for you. So, if you're considering selling your house and you've heard about cash offers, I can explain those. I have those available. Give me a call today. I'm Jim Starwalt, leader of the Star Home Team at Better Homes and Gardens Real Estate. We'll talk to you soon.